Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Chevy Malibu, and we're going to do the side chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it matches the door peddlers of the vehicle and gives it a sportier look as well. If you like the product, the link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the panel. So remove any contaminants that the chrome panel might have. And if you are planning to tuck in the film, make sure to clean around the gasket here as well. That way you don't have any contaminants when you're installing the film to the panel. And once you're done cleaning each panel, make sure that the whole area is dry, because we recommend a dry installation for each chrome piece. Okay, so once you finish prepping the panel, now it's time for the installation. So with each piece, you're just going to start from one end, and once you install it, you're going to make your way to the other end, and making sure to align it. If you need help aligning it, you can use the bottom half of the chrome panel here as a guide to align the bottom half of the film here to the bottom half of the chrome panel here. You could do that same method for each panel here up until you get to the rear. So just align it, give yourself any material to cover the chrome, and just start aligning it from there. Okay, now that we placed it, now we can start using our squeegee and tacking down the flat surface here, making sure we help the film start tacking down to the panel. And if you are planning to tuck in the film, give yourself enough material to tuck in the film. Once you have given yourself enough material, then you could trim off the excess material that you still have around the edges here. So be careful when you're trimming, and once you're done trimming, apply heat to help secure the film and also secure where we trimmed as well. Now we can apply heat. And now we move on and do the same steps that we did for this piece for the remaining 3 pieces here. Okay, now for this last section, you want to start off by aligning the film to this edge and making sure when you do align it here, you give yourself just a little bit of excess material. That way you cover the curved edge around the panel here. Once you see you've given yourself enough material, then you could slowly work your way in installing the rest of the film. So make sure not to crease it and just align it to the panel. So this section is done. Lift the film carefully, adjust it little by little to follow the curved design of the panel here, and then just work and install the other half here. So now that we finished tacking it down, now we're just going to apply heat around the curve here and around this curve, and then just making sure we tack it down on each section. And once we're done, trim off any excess material. Once we finish tacking it down, the last thing to do is trim off excess material. So just be careful and making sure you trim off only what you need. You don't want to accidentally cut off too much and you might reveal the chrome. So just take your time, measure where you're going to need to cover the chrome, and then trim off from there. So once you're done with the whole installation, the last thing you do is post heat each panel. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and the film doesn't lift over time as well. So just use your heat gun and go all around. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the 2022 Chevy Malibu side chrome delete installation. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.